This video is about painting furniture with chalk paint. I used Krylon from Lowe's. And for the hardware, I used Rust-Oleum Metallic Gold. I used the color Chalkboard Black. And I also use the chalky finish to finish it off and seal it. You need a soft sander and plastic wood filler, chalky paint, chalky finish to finish off, and some rags. I also started off by cleaning the piece with 409 and a wet rag and wiping it clean. I also cleaned the bottom of the table and the drawer. Now, I filled it with wood filler, and then I waited for that to dry, sanded it, wiped it off again, and then I started my painting. I painted just a fast coat of the chalky black. This is almost my finished product. I do like to sand down the edges a little bit before I put the Krylon finish on it, the chalky finish. It's a little rustic, but I do like the black with the wood. This is my finished product of my first table that I worked on. It was relatively easy. I think you learn as you go along. I think if you just follow a few steps, everybody does it a little bit differently, and add a sealer or a finisher of some sort you cannot lose. I'm feeling like I need maybe one more coat, but we're kind of learning as we go along. And I really like the way it came out. I think it gave it some new life. And here are the products I used, along with a couple rags as well. And Sophie really seems to like it a lot. So have a nice evening, and we will talk later. Thank you. If you'd like to see more DIY paint videos and paint videos about wall paint as well, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and ring the bell.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Now it's time to think about Christmas.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Thinking about Christmas. Time to start Christmas shopping.